মই আগবাঢ়িছোঁ সেয়া নিষ্ঠা সহকাৰে পালন কৰিম।
You are supposed to speak while wearing the mask. You are new first time. लगा दीजिए mask. Sign it. You just sign your name. नाम लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, जो नॉर्मल आपको हस्ताक्षर करते हैं उसकी खबर आ जाएगी।
छत्तीसगढ़ श्रीमती फूलो देवी नेतम।
हाँ, मास्क पहन के पढ़ना।
जी
ट्राई करिए।
मैं फूलो देवी नेताम जो राज्यसभा की सदस्य निर्वाचित हुई हूँ, ईश्वर की शपथ लेती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी तथा
झारखंड श्री शिबू सोरेन।
यहीं पे खड़े होंगे, ये पढ़िए सर, ये बोलो सर।
शपथ पत्र। मैं शिबू सोरेन,
थोड़ा जोर से।
मैं शिबू सोरेन राज्यसभा का शपथ निर्वाचित हुआ हूँ। ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूँगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूँगा तथा इस पद के लिए मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूँ उससे कर्तव्य तथा पूर्ण निर्वाचन करूँगा।
दस्तखत करिए।
केरला श्री M.V. श्रेयंस कुमार।
I, M.V. Shreyams Kumar, have been elected a member of the Council of the State, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Please sign the register. Sign the
महाराष्ट्र डॉक्टर फौजिया खान।
मी डॉक्टर फौजिया खान राज्यसभेची सदस्य म्हणून निवडून आले असल्याने गांभीर्यपूर्वक दृढ कथन करते की कायद्याद्वारे स्थापित झाले आहे अशा भारतीय संविधानाबद्दल मी खरी श्रद्धा व निष्ठा बाळगीन। भारताची सार्वभौमता व एकात्मता उन्नत राखीन आणि आता जे कर्तव्य मी हाती घेणार आहे ते निष्ठापूर्वक पार पाडीन।
Please sign the register.
मेघालय डॉक्टर बनविराय खारलुखी।
वो सर्टिफिकेट आपका हाथ में रहे हो मार्शल, वो कवर आपका हाथ में रहे हो भाई,
सर्टिफिकेट ले लीजिए।
ठीक है।
I, Dr. Vanveeroy Kharlukhi, having been elected a member of the Council of States, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Please sign.
तमिलनाडु
Yes, thereon.
श्री N.R. इलांगो।
Please sign.
तमिलनाडु
Yes, thereon.
श्री N.R. इलांगो।
மாநிலங்களவையின் உறுப்பினராக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் என்ஆர் இளங்கோ என்னும் நான் சட்டத்தினால் நிறுவப்பெற்றதான இந்திய அரசியல் சட்டத்தின் மீது உண்மையான ஆர்வமும் பற்று உறுதியும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்தியாவின் இறையாண்மையையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் உறுதியாக பற்றி நிற்பேன் என்றும் நான் இப்போது ஏற்கவிருக்கும் கடமையினை நேர்மையாக நிறைவேற்றுவேன் என்றும்
விழுமிய முறைமையுடன் உறுதி கூறுகிறேன்.
Tamil Nadu, Sri Anthiyar P. Silva Rasu.
மாநிலங்களவையின் உறுப்பினராக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் பி. செல்வராஜ் என்னும் நான் சட்டத்தினால் நிறுவப்பெற்றதான இந்திய அரசியல் சட்டத்தின் மீது உண்மையான பற்றார்வமும் பற்றுறுதியும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்தியாவின் இறையாண்மையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் உறுதியாக பற்றி நிற்பேன் என்றும் நான் இப்போது ஏற்றவிருக்கும் கடமையினை நேர்மையாக நிறைவேற்றுவேன் என்றும் விரும்பிய முறையுடன் உறுதி கூறுகிறேன்.
Sign. Put the mask fully. Take the mask.
Sri Tiruchi Shiva.
மாநிலங்களவையின் உறுப்பினராக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டிருக்கும் திருச்சி சிவா என்னும் நான் சட்டத்தினால் நிறுவப்பெற்றதான இந்திய அரசியல் சட்டத்தின் மீது உண்மையான பற்றார்வமும் பற்றுறுதியும் கொண்டிருப்பேன் என்றும் இந்தியாவின் இறையாண்மையையும் ஒருமைப்பாட்டையும் உறுதியாக பற்றி நிற்பேன் என்றும் நான் இப்போது ஏற்கவிருக்கும் கடமையினை நேர்மையாக நிறைவேற்றுவேன் என்றும் விழுமிய முறைமையுடன் உறுதி கூறுகின்றேன்.
Telangana, Dr. K. Keshav Rao.
Straight, Shiva.
Crossed.
కె కేశవరావు నేను రాజ్యసభ యొక్క సభ్యునిగా నామనిర్దేశం చేయబడిన నాడై శాసనం ద్వారా స్థాపితమైన భారత సంవిధానము పట్ల యథార్థమైన శ్రద్ధ నిష్టలను కలిగి ఉందని నీవు భారతదేశం యొక్క సార్వభౌమతను మరియు అఖండతను సమర్థించుననియు నేను చేపట్టనున్న కర్తవ్యమును శ్రద్ధాపూర్వకంగా నిర్వహించదని నేను మనస్సాక్షిగా ప్రమాణం చేయుచున్నాను.
అదే పేజీలో ఎక్కడైనా
Sri K.R. Suresh Reddy.
I, K.R. Suresh Reddy, having been elected a member of the Council of States, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Please sign. Suresh Reddy was former speaker.
Uttar Pradesh, Sri Syed Jafar Islam.
you are not supposed to change your seat. Hello. Ramesh ji. Mr. Ramesh, you are not supposed to leave your seat and go to other seat, please. During this 18 days. Afterwards, you are free to go anywhere.
मैं सैयद जफर इस्लाम जो राज्यसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं उसके कर्तव्य का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा। नमस्कार सर। नमस्कार।
श्री जयप्रकाश निषाद।
Never. Please go this side so that you won't cross.
He's not there.
मैं जयप्रकाश निषाद राज्यसभा का सांसद सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं। ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित संविधान के प्रति श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।
वेस्ट बंगाल श्री सुब्रत बख्शी। श्रीमती अर्पिता घोष।
আমি অর্পিতা ঘোষ রাজ্যসভার সদস্য নির্বাচিত হইয়া সত্যনিষ্ঠার সহিত প্রতিজ্ঞা করিতেছি যে বিধি দ্বারা স্থাপিত ভারতের সংবিধানের প্রতি আমি অকৃত্রিম নিষ্ঠা ও আনুগত্য পোষণ করিব। আমি ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব ও অখণ্ডতা রক্ষা করিব এবং যে কর্তব্য ভার আমি গ্রহণ করিতে উদ্যত হইয়াছি তাহা নিষ্ঠাপূর্বক নির্বাহ করিব।
श्री दिनेश त्रिवेदी।
मैं दिनेश त्रिवेदी जो राज्यसभा का सदस्य निर्वाचित हुआ हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं उसके कर्तव्य का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।
रविशंकर जी, रविशंकर जी, रविशंकर जी, ऐसा नहीं करना है ना। Honorable members, I refer with profound sorrow to the passing of Sri Pranab Mukherjee, former President of India and former member of this House. Sri Pranab Mukherjee passed away on the 31st August 2020 at the age of 84 years. Born in a family of freedom fighters in December 1935 at Merathi village in Birbhum district of West Bengal, Sri Pranab Mukherjee was educated at the Calcutta University. In his long and illustrious political career, spanning more than 5 decades, Sri Mukherjee held several portfolios as minister in the Union Council of Ministers. a man for many seasons. Sri Mukherjee handled his ministerial assignments with remarkable dexterity. He spearheaded critical decisions of the government on a wide-ranging issues, including information technology and telecommunications, UADA, and also Metro Rail. As finance minister, he saw India through the 2008 global financial crisis, and as an external affairs minister, he oversaw the signing of the India-United States civil nuclear deal. Known for his profound intellect and sharp memory, Sri Pranab Mukherjee had an in-depth knowledge that spanned across a wide variety of subjects as international relations, financial affairs, public policy, and parliamentary procedures. This held him in good stead when he represented the country at the international fora. Sri Pranab Mukherjee also led several delegations to various international conferences and fora. His leadership in Ministry of Finance and other ministers was well acclaimed nationally and internationally. As a legislator, Sri Pranab Mukherjee made rich contribution to the parliamentary culture of debate, discussion and deliberation by his firm grasp over the issues concerning the nation. Through his mastery of parliamentary procedure and his active participation in the pattern thrust of the debates, he played a huge role in shaping laws and policies. A true gentleman and a consensus builder, he strived to forge unity and consensus among diverse political parties with a multitude of viewpoints. He was widely acknowledged and admired by all and was the main troubleshooter for the government. Sri Mukherjee served as the leader of the House Rajya Sabha from 1980 to 85 and the leader of the House Lok Sabha from 2004 to 2012. Sri Mukherjee served as deputy chairman of the Planning Commission from June 1991 to May 1996 for his valuable and immense contribution to Indian Parliament. Sri Pranab Mukherjee was conferred an outstanding parliamentarian award for the year 1997, an orator for excellence. His clear articulation, dotted with anecdotes and humor, left an indelible impression on his audience. His number-crunching ability and short memory was bewildering. Sri Pranab Mukherjee represented the state of West Bengal in this House for 4 terms, from July 1969 to July 1975, July 1975 to July 1981, August 1993 to August 1999, and August 1999 to May 2004, and the state of Gujarat from August 91 to August 1987. He also served as a member of the 14th and 15th Lok Sabha. Sri Pranab Da went on to adorn the highest constitutional office of the country and served as the 13th President of India from 2012 to 2017. An avid reader, Sri Pranab Mukherjee has authored several books on Indian economy, nation building. An admirer of Rabindranath Sangeet, Sri Mukherjee served as the president of the Ravindra Bharati Society. Sri Mukherjee was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his exceptional and distinguished service in the field of public affairs in 2008 and the Bharata Ratna for exceptional service of the highest order in the field of public affairs in 2019. He was also conferred the Best Administrator in India award in 2011. In the passing away of Sri Pranab Da, the country has lost an adept administrator, an astute politician, an outstanding parliamentarian, a erudite scholar, and a visionary statesman. Honorable members, during the intercession period, 3 of our sitting members, namely Beni Prasad Verma, Sri MP Virendra Kumar, and Sri Amar Singh, as well as 15 of our former members, namely Hi-Fi, Sri M.V. Rajasekaran, Sri Sanatan Bisi, Sri Vasant Kumar Das, Sri R.T. Gopalan, Sri Bhavani Charan Patnaik, Sri Ajit P.K. Jogi, Srimati Saroj Dubey, Sri Viswabandhu Gupta, Sri Vishnu Charan Das, Sri Ram Avdesh Singh, Sri Samlal Chakravarti, Sri Nandi Yallaya, and Sri Narendra Kumar Swain, and Pandit Jasraj, renowned Indian classical vocalist, also left us for the heavenly abode. God bless their souls. Due to paucity of time, I am not reading out the detailed obituary references prepared in their respect, but gist of the same. However, the detailed obituary references will be deemed as read and will be part of the record of the House and will be incorporated in the debates of the House. Sri Beni Prasad Verma passed away on 27th March 2020 at the age of 79 years. Agriculturist, social worker, he started his legislative career in Uttar Pradesh in 1974 and served of the assembly for 6 terms from 1974 to 80 and 85 to 95. During the period, he also served as a minister in the government of Uttar Pradesh, holding different portfolios. Sri Verma was also member of the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th Lok Sabha. He served in the Union Council of Ministers, holding various portfolios. Sri Beni Prasad Verma represented the state of Uttar Pradesh in this House from July 2016 till his sad demise. In the parting away of Sri Beni Prasad Verma, the country has lost a veteran socialist leader, an able administrator, and a distinguished parliamentarian. The MP Virendra Kumar passed away on the 28th of May 2020 at the age of 82 years. A prolific writer and a social activist, Sri Virendra Kumar started his legislative career as a member of the Kerala Legislative Assembly in 1987 and served in that assembly till 1991. He also served as the Minister of Forest and Government of Kerala 1987. Sri Virendra Kumarji was a member of the 11th and 14th Lok Sabha. He served in the Union Council of Ministers as Minister of State, holding several portfolios. The MP Virendra Kumar represented the state of Kerala in this House for 2 terms from 2016 to 17 and again from March 2018 till his sad demise. In the passing away of Sri MP Virendra Kumar, the country has lost an able administrator, a distinguished parliamentarian and writer for excellence. Sri Amar Singh Ji passed away on the 1st of August 2020 at the age of 64 years. An industrialist, Sri Amar Singh also contributed towards the promotion of art and culture and was particularly associated with the Hindi film industry. Sri Amar Singh represented the state of Uttar Pradesh in this House for 4 terms from November 96 to 2002, 2002 to 2008 and 2008 to November 2014 and again from July 2016 till his sad demise. In the passing away of Sri Amar Singh, friend of everybody, the country has lost an astute politician and able parliamentarian. Sri Haifai passed away on the 8th of April 2020. Social worker, who also known as the father of Matra tribe, played a key role in the formation of separate autonomous district council of the Lakers. Haifai started his legislative career as a member of the Mizoram Legislative Assembly in 72 and a member of that house for 6 terms. He served as the Deputy Speaker of the Assembly. And again, he served as a Minister of State in Mizoram government, holding several portfolios. He represented the state of Mizoram in the House for 2 consecutive terms from July 90 to 96, from July 96 to July 2002. In the passing away of Sri Haifai, the country has lost an able parliamentarian and a champion of tribal rights. Sri M.V. Rajasekaran Ji passed away on the 13th of April 2020 at the age of 91 years. Agriculturist, Sri Rajasekaran Ji actively participated in the freedom movement from 1940 to 47. He took a keen interest in rural development and improvement of agriculture. Sri Rajasekaran started his legislative career as a member of the 4th Lok Sabha. Served as member of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly. As member of the Karnataka Legislative Council. Sri Rajasekaran Ji represented the state of Karnataka in this House from April 2002 to April 2008. He served in the Union Council of Ministers as Minister of State in the Ministry of Planning from 2004 to 2008. In the passing year of Sri M.V. Rajasekaran Ji, the country has lost a veteran freedom fighter, a pioneer in the field of agrarian and rural development, a Gandhian in true sense, an able administrator and a distinguished parliamentarian. Sri Sanatan BC passed away on 14th of April 2020 at the age of 78 years. An athlete and advocate by profession, Sri Sanatan BC represented the state of Odisha in this House from 94 to 2000. He also served as the panel of Vice Chairman. Later on, Sri BC was elected member of Odisha Legislative Assembly for 2 terms 2002, 2004, and again 4 to 9. He also served as Minister of State Independent Charge of the Minister of Health and Family Welfare in the government of Odisha. In the passing of Sri Sanatan Bisi, the country has lost an able administrator and a parliamentarian and a avid sports enthusiast. Sri Basant Kumar Das passed away April 2020 at the age of 80 years. After a brief stint of 10 years in the Indian Navy, Sri Das joined politics. Sri Basant Kumar Das represented the state of Odisha in this house from 90 to 96. In the passing of Sri Basant Kumar Das, the country has lost a war veteran and an able parliamentarian. Sri R.T. Gopalan passed away on 26th of April 2020 at the age of 76 years. Agriculturist Sri Gopalan started his legislative career as a member of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly in 1980 and served as its member till 1984. Sri Gopalanji represented the state of Tamil Nadu in this house from 1986 to June 1992. Sri Gopalanji was an active legislator and also a person who was more interested in rural development and agriculture. In the passing of Sri R.T. Gopalan, the country has lost an able parliamentarian. Sri Bhavani Charan Patnaik ji passed away on the 14th of May at the age of 98 years. Sri Patnaik actively participated in the Quit India movement of 1942. The social worker, he represented the state of Odisha in this house for 3 terms. Sri Patnaik ji was the recipient of the Padma Shri Award in 2018 for his distinguished service in the field of public affairs. The passing of Sri Bhavani Charan Patnaik, the country lost a veteran freedom fighter and an able parliamentarian and dedicated social worker. Sri Ajit P.K. Jogi ji passed away on the 29th of May 2020 at the age of 74 years. A civil servant turned politician, Sri Jogi took keen interest in promotion of tribal and folk art of India, protection of environment, organization of cooperatives and development of agriculture, etc. He represented the Madhya Pradesh in this house for 2 consecutive terms from June 86 to 92 and again from 92 to March 98. He also served as panel of Vice Chairman. Sri Jogi also served as member of the 12th and 14th Lok Sabha. Sri Ajit Jogi served as a member of the Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly twice till his sad demise. He also served as the first Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh state from 2000 to 2003. In the passing away of Sri Ajit P.K. Jogi, the country lost an astute administrator, a champion of the rights of tribals, and a dedicated social worker and a distinguished parliamentarian. Srimati Saroj Dubey passed away 21st of June 2020 at the age of 81 years. Social worker, Srimati Saroj Dubey was a member of the 10th Lok Sabha. She represented the state of Bihar in this house from July 1998 to July 2004. In the passing away of Srimati Saroj Dubey, the country lost a dedicated social worker, a champion of the women's rights, and an able parliamentarian. Sri Viswabandhu Gupta passed away on the 21st June 2020 at the age of 92 years. A journalist, Sri Guptaji served as the managing editor of Daily Tej and Sun Weekly. He was the founder member of the Press Club of India. Sri Viswabandhu Gupta represented the Union Territory of Delhi in this house from 1984 to April 1990. In the passing of Sri Viswabandhu Gupta, the country has lost a veteran journalist and a flying enthusiast and an able parliamentarian. Sri Vishnu Charana Das passed away on 6th of July 2020 at the age of 65 years. An advocate, social worker, Sri Das started his career as member of the Odisha Legislative Assembly in 1990 and remained its member for 5 consecutive terms. He was elected to Legislative Assembly again for the 6th time. He also served as a minister in the government of Odisha. Sri Vishnu Charana Das represented the state of Odisha in this house for a brief period from July 2016 to March 2017. In the passing away of Sri Vishnu Charana Das, the country has lost an able parliamentarian and a dedicated social worker. Sri Ram Uday Singh ji passed away on the 20th of July 2020 at the age of 83 years. A prolific writer, social worker, Sri Singh started his career as a member of the Bihar Legislative Assembly and remained its member till 1972 from 1969. He was also a member of the 6th Lok Sabha. Sri Ram Uday Singh ji represented the state of Bihar in this house July 1986 to July 1992. In the passing of Sri Ram Uday Singh, the country has lost an able parliamentarian and a dedicated social worker. Sri Syamal Chakravarti passed away on the 6th of August 2020 at the age of 76 years. A trade unionist, a prolific writer, Sri Chakravarti started his legislative career as a member of West Bengal Legislative Assembly in 81, served as member of that assembly till 96, served as the Minister of Transport, second Hooghly River Bridge Commission and in the government of West Bengal. Sri Syamal Chakravarti represented the state of Bengal, West Bengal in the south from April 2008 to April 2014. In the passing away of Sri Syamal Chakravarti ji, the country lost a veteran trade unionist, a capable administrator and an able parliamentarian. Sri Nandi Yallaya passed away on the 8th of August 2020 at the age of 78 years. Social worker, a trade unionist, Sri Yallaya ji started his legislative career in 1964 as a municipal councillor from Jamastanpur, double member constituency in Hyderabad state. Sri Nandi Yallaya was a member of the 6th, 7th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 16th Lok Sabha. He represented the state of Andhra Pradesh in this house for 2 consecutive terms, 2002 to 8 and again from 2008 to March 2014. Sri Yallaya ji also served as a member of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council for a brief period. In the passing of Sri Nandi Yallaya, the country has lost a veteran trade unionist, a champion of the rights of the downtrodden and a distinguished parliamentarian. Sri Narendra Kumar Swain passed away on 7th September 2020 at the age of 81 years. Social worker, Sri Swain was actively associated with several employees, workers and trade unions and worked assiduously for the welfare of the working community. Sri Narendra Kumar Swain represented the state of Odisha in this house from December 2015 to April 2020. In the passing away of Sri Narendra Kumar Swain, the country has lost a veteran trade unionist and a dedicated social worker and an able parliamentarian. Sri Pandit Jasraj passed away on the 17th of August 2020 at the age of 90 years. Dian of Hindustani classical vocal music, Pandit Jasraj took Indian vocal classical music to ethereal heights by making it more accessible to the world. Former Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji honored Pandit Jasraj with the title Rasaraj, the King of Rasas. Pandit Jasraj was the recipient of several prestigious awards, notable being Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Sangeeta Natakam Award and Sangeeta Martand. A minor planet between Mars and Jupiter was also named after him in 2019 by the International Astronomical Union. In the passing of Pandit Jasraj ji, the country lost an outstanding Hindustani classical music vocalist, exceptional mentor and a pole star in the world of music. His passing away has left an impressible void in the cultural ethos of our country. We deeply mourn the passing away of Sri Pranab Mukherjee, Sri Beni Prasad Verma, Sri M.P. Virendra Kumar, Sri Amar Singh, Sri Hepai, Sri M.V. Rajasekaran, Sri Sanatana Bisi, Sri Vasant Kumar Das, Sri R.T. Gopalan, Sri Bhavani Charan Patnaik, Sri Ajit P.K. Jogi, Sri Mati Saroj Dubey, Sri Vishwabandhu Gupta, Sri Vishnu Chandra Das, Sri Ram Avade Singh, Sri Syamal Chakravarti and Sri Nandi Yallaya, Sri Narendra Kumar Swain and Pandit Jasraj. I request the members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect for the memory of departed. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Secretary General will convey to the members of the bereaved families our sense of profound sorrow and deep sympathy. As a mark of respect to the memory of the departed, the House stands adjourned for 1 hour and will be reassembling again. Now it is 3:41. We will reassemble at 4:40.